Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have it all, while others struggle to get by? Maybe you're one of those people that are always struggling for more in your life, but seldom or never succeed. You want a better job, a better health, find your soulmate, or feel more happiness. What if I told you that the difference is not in your luck, your skills, or your circumstances, but in your mind? What if I told you that you can change your reality by changing your thoughts and feelings? This is not a fantasy, but a fact that has been discovered by ancient sages such as Buddha and modern masters such as Neville Goddard and Napoleon Hill. They all understood the law of attraction and how to use it to create their own destiny. Here, we will discover their secrets and how you can apply them to your own life. Have you ever wondered if you can create your own reality with your thoughts? Wondered if you can attract anything you want into your life by simply imagining it? If your answer is yes, then you are not alone. Millions of people around the world believe in the law of attraction, a philosophy that claims that whatever you focus on, you will attract into your life. But what is the law of attraction exactly? Where did it come from? And how can you use it to improve your life? Those questions will be answered as we explore the origins, principles, and practices of the law of attraction. We will also look at some of the most influential thinkers who have mastered it, such as Neville Goddard, a mystic and author who taught that imagination is God and that we are all creators of our own lives. We will learn from Buddha and Napoleon Hill, who taught their wisdom and techniques on how to apply the law of attraction for various aspects of life, such as health, wealth, relationships, and happiness. By the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of what the law of attraction actually is, how it works, and how you can use it to achieve your goals and live your best life. So keep on watching. This will be a game changer in your life. The law of attraction is a universal principle that states you will attract into your life whatever you focus on. Whatever you give your energy and attention to is what will come back to you. When you focus on the abundance of good things in your life, you will automatically attract more positive things into your life. But how does the law of attraction work, and why is it so powerful? The law of attraction is based on the belief that everything is made of energy and that like attracts like. In other words, whatever you think and feel, you create. Your thoughts and emotions are vibrations that resonate with the frequency of the universe. When you align your vibration with the vibration of your desired outcome, you become a magnet for it. The law of attraction means that you have the ability to create your own reality. You are not a passive victim of circumstances, but an active co-creator of your life. You can use the law of attraction to manifest anything you want, whether it is better health, wealth, love, happiness, or anything else you desire. The only limit is your own imagination. However, the law of attraction is not a magic wand that will grant you your wishes instantly. It requires you to take action, be consistent, and have faith. You also need to be aware of your limiting beliefs, negative thoughts, and subconscious blocks that may prevent you from attracting what you want. You need to clear these obstacles and replace them with positive affirmations, gratitude, and optimism. The law of attraction is a powerful tool that can help you transform your life and achieve your dreams. By applying the law of attraction, you can become the master of your destiny and the architect of your reality. You can live a life of joy, abundance, and fulfillment. You can be, do, and have anything you desire. You just need to believe it and receive it. But where did this idea come from, and how can you use it to manifest your dreams? Three masters of the law of attraction, Buddha, Napoleon Hill, and Neville Goddard, have influenced millions of people with their teachings and writings. Each of them had a unique perspective and a powerful technique to apply the law of attraction in your life. Let's start with Buddha, the founder of Buddhism and one of the most enlightened beings who ever lived. Buddha taught that the mind is the source of all phenomena and that everything depends on your perception. He said, "All that we are is the result of what we have thought. The mind is everything. What we think we become." He also said, "We are shaped by our thoughts. We become what we think. When the mind is pure, joy follows like a shadow that never leaves." Buddha's theory of the law of attraction is based on the concept of karma, which means action and its consequences. Karma is the law of cause and effect that governs the cycle of rebirth or samsara. According to karma, whatever you do, say, or think will have an impact on your future. If you do good deeds, you will create positive karma and experience happiness. If you do bad deeds, you will create negative karma and experience suffering. Buddha's technique to use the law of attraction is to practice mindfulness, which means being aware of the present moment and observing your thoughts and feelings without judgment. By being mindful, you can choose to focus on positive thoughts and feelings that align with your true nature and your highest good. Next, let's look at Napoleon Hill, the author of the classic book Think and Grow Rich, and one of the pioneers of the self-help movement. Napoleon Hill was inspired by the industrialist Andrew Carnegie, who challenged him to study the secrets of success and wealth. Hill spent over 20 years interviewing over 500 successful people, including Thomas Edison, Henry Ford, and Alexander Graham Bell. He discovered that they all had one thing in common. They used the power of their mind to achieve their goals. Hill's theory of the law of attraction is based on the concept of the mastermind, which means the coordination of knowledge and effort between two or more people who work toward a definite purpose. Hill said, "No two minds ever come together without thereby creating a third, invisible, intangible force which may be likened to a third mind." He also said, "Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve." Hill's technique to use the law of attraction is based on 13 steps that he explains in his book. The 4 most powerful ones of those steps are to have a strong desire to achieve an ambitious goal, have faith that you can achieve it, be persistent and overcome any obstacles, and last, have a positive attitude and enthusiasm. Finally, let's examine Neville Goddard, a mystic and a metaphysical teacher who had a profound influence on many people, including Wayne Dyer. Neville Goddard was born in Barbados and moved to the United States to study drama. He later became interested in mysticism and studied with an Ethiopian rabbi named Abdullah. He learned Hebrew, scripture, and Kabbalah. He also had many mystical experiences that convinced him of the power of imagination. Neville's theory of the law of attraction is based on the concept of the I Am, which means the awareness of being and the creative power of God within you. Neville said, "I am is the name of God. I am is your real self. You cannot see I am, but you can be aware that you are. And this awareness is the creative power of the universe." Neville's technique to use the law of attraction is to practice the art of assumption, which means assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Neville said, "Assume the feeling of your wish being fulfilled and continue feeling that it is fulfilled until what you feel objectifies itself." He also said, "The secret of imagining is the greatest of all problems, to the solution of which every man should aspire." To practice the art of assumption, Neville suggested that you first need to decide what you want in precise and clear terms. Next, you need to relax your body and mind and enter a state similar to sleep. This is when your subconscious mind is most receptive to your imagination. Then, You need to imagine a scene that shows you have already achieved your desire. You need to feel the truth of the scene and the emotion it stirs in you. This is how you impress your subconscious mind with your assumption. Repeat the scene over and over until it becomes natural and real to you. This is how you make your assumption a habit. Finally, you need to let go and trust that it is done. This is how you allow your assumption to manifest in your reality. This is the essence of Neville Goddard's teachings on the art of assumption and has helped countless people recreate their lives according to their dreams and wishes. Thank you for listening. I encourage you to apply these amazing techniques in your life, and you will soon start noticing powerful changes. Until next time.